Hi, what if your kitchen didn't depend on expert chefs, big spaces, or unpredictable costs? At Madhulika Commercial Cuisines, we built a smarter way to run food businesses anywhere in India. MCC's model stands on three pillars: the split kitchen framework, BioLock Technology, and IFaaS, Intelligent Food as a Service. The split kitchen framework means heavy cooking happens at MCC's central facilities. Your outlet only heats and serves. Result: tiny kitchen footprint, no dependency on expert chefs, faster onboarding, and rock solid consistency. BioLock technology is MCC's proprietary preservation science. It locks in freshness, nutrition, and authentic taste without chemical preservatives, so dishes feel just cooked across time and distance. IFaaS delivers intelligence with the food. Dedicated R&D, menu intelligence, portion packaging, iterations, regional adaptations, and data-driven planning. You don't just buy products, you plug into a ready operating system for your food business. Now scale it nationwide. With MCC's pan-India supply at negligible additional logistics cost and no high MOQ barriers, you can start lean and grow fast. As volumes rise, your unit economics gets fascinating. Lower per plate cost, higher margins, predictable performance. MCC is an entirely B2B model. Whether you're a QSR, cafe, cloud kitchen, caterer, restaurant, or hotel, MCC lets you launch faster, operate simpler, and scale smarter. Madhulika Commercial Cuisines, cook-free solutions powered by BioLock, delivered through IFaaS, built for India-wide growth.